Hey, welcome to Gold Fishing. In this webinar, we are going to talk about gold fishing. Hi, I'm Sanjay Rao, also known as Sanj Rao. Gold fishing is my favorite topic. It's a very interesting one. How to throw the fishing net into the future, grab the goal, and pull it towards you in the present. I am passing this technique to you, which I had learned from my mentor. This involves three things: the what, the why, and the most important and the easy one, the how. You are going to find out what you need, why you need, and how to achieve a life challenging goal. But it's all up to you. I can't take you there, but I can just show you the direction. But if you follow it, you are going to achieve your goal no matter what. Let's start with the what. That expands to what do you want? It's an easy question, isn't it? Okay, I know it's not. So hope I have triggered some of your grey cells to do a little bit of exercise. But wait, let me make it a little simpler. Instead of thinking, what do you want? Let me rephrase it to, what do you want to stop? What is troubling you right now? What are you sick of in your job or your personal or your business life? Give it a thought. You don't have to write it down or tell someone. You just have to be true to yourself. You do have to do it. Believe me, I have done this exercise with my mentor, and that's why I am asking you to do it. If you don't do this, you will have to take what life throws at you, and later you should not be complaining about it. Just give a few seconds thought on what are you sick of. So have you found out what is it that you are really sick of? Let me tell you. I was just frustrated with the way my boss was treating me. I was just frustrated with the first call that I used to get before even I got up from my bed. Every night I used to make sure to clean up all my inbox, and the next day it used to be full again with all the issues. So by now I hope you have figured out your blocks, your frustration. Now that you have the list of unwanted things in your life, just visualize. What would your life or your business or your day look like if this useless stuff didn't exist? What would your life or your business or your day look like if this useless stuff, which I call it as junk, didn't exist? Great. Now just think that you are watching the cloud move by. Watch how fast it is moving away from you because of the breeze. Just keep all this junk. Yes, whatever you just listed is just a junk. Keep this junk on one of the cloud and watch it go away. You have pushed all your junks away. Now that you have cleared all the unwanted stuff, what is available to you now? Is it the time to spend with family, your friends? Whatever you are visualizing is what you want. And that is important to you. Just give it a thought. What is your passion? I don't think working for someone else is your passion. So what is your passion? Is it going out on a cruise or a trip with your friends and family? Or is it something else? Don't worry if it is not realistic. Realistic goals is boring. If you want it, then anything is possible. I believe it. Just think about it. This is your why, the big why. Unless you have not found your why, there won't be any motivation to move ahead. You have to find your why. Okay? Because when you feel down, when you feel that there is nothing left for you, when you are not motivated enough, just think of this why. Why you started. I have done this and it works. I just get motivated enough to jump out of the bed and start working towards my goal whenever I think of my why. Now think of your financial goal and by when you want it to be achieved. Why financial? Because that is measurable. It's like I want 500k in next 6 months or something, say 1 million in next 1 year or 1 million in next 3 months. Did you just do it? I know most of you would be hearing a inner voice saying, "Stop it, it's just a joke." Well, that voice is from your subconscious mind. I want you to participate with me with the right mindset. Inside us, we have blocked ourselves from reaching to the top. But there are those small capillaries which I would like to call it as channels, which can be made broader and help you go ahead in achieving your goals, however unrealistic it may seem. Are you ready? Are you ready? Say yeah, heck yeah, yes, whatever you want. You have to say it. This process is somewhat related to the quote, begin with the end in mind. By end, I mean a measurable result, however unrealistic it may seem to you right now. Don't worry, I have found a channel to bypass this. A natural bypass is what I call. Let's start the process. I want you to visualize that you have achieved your goal and not that you will be achieving it in future. I want you to believe that you have already achieved it right at this moment. The goal that you just visualized a little bit earlier has been achieved. You had thought earlier that this was too high or there were lots of reasons why you would not even begin, but now you have achieved it. Congratulations. You are so happy that you have achieved it that you want to just share it with someone. There is no one around you, but you want to share it. So you message me, "Hey Sanjay, I have achieved my goal." I reply, "Wow, awesome. How did you do it?" Now listen carefully. I want you to go into your past, go back, think, what did you do to reach here to achieve your goal? What did you do to reach at this level? Go back to your past. For example, I let go of my fear of getting rich, or I did not take my goal lightly, or I figured out how I can make some more time by waking early to achieve my goal. Whatever it is, I want you to make a note of it. It is not that hard. You can do it. Do not take it lightly. This has worked for me and others, and there is no way it won't work for you. You just have to think. Just write down, what did you just do to reach your goal? How did you start? What were your obstructions? How did you overcome it? If you religiously followed me through, I can bet that you just had a natural bypass of your subconscious mind as you told your brain that you have already achieved it, and so there was no blockage now, and you have your map in your hand on how to reach there. I had to let go of my fear, my ego, my pride. I had created this transparent wall around me, and whatever my coach was telling me was not reaching me. As soon as I let go of my fear, my ego, my pride, the wall had shattered and I was coachable. Now that you have found your what and why, you have put the tough part behind. Now the only easy part is how. Okay, I'm not going to teach you how to rob a bank, but there are many legal ways you can do it. All in the comfort of your home or wherever you like. All you need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi. I know what's going on in your mind. Sanjay, is this really going to work? Can I learn how to make money online? Let me tell you a story of my childhood. Then I wanted to learn how to ride a cycle. I didn't have a helmet or any knee pad, and I was just scared what would happen if I fall. But my elder brother made me sit on his cycle. He held the cycle from behind so that I don't fall and asked me to hit the pedal. He was running all the way down with me. I had confidence in him. That's how I learned to ride the cycle in few days. It was a great achievement for me then. Why am I telling you this story? because I had a coach then, my brother. And now, when I decided to go online, I have a coach. My coach is MLM superhero Darren Little, who has made millions in this. If you wait till end of this session, I will tell you how he can be your coach too, and yes, he is offering it for free. Okay, I'm coming straight to the point now. How? How do you want to achieve your financial goal? The first step to achieve your goal is you have to be coachable. Just do what your coach or mentor tells you. They have gone through the process, and so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Now you have to find a product that makes you 100% commission and passive income. Run it as if it is your business and not someone else. Be a leader in marketing, not just make a sale. Be a leader, and you won't have to make a sale at all. People will be attracted to you and will buy it from you. I have found a product which is all these points that I just mentioned. It's a personal development leadership program. Let me take you through how you can make $1,000 per sale and a passive income strategy first. Okay, so suppose I am your sponsor. I recruit you. So I make $1,000. You recruit Peter. So you get $1,000. Later on, you recruit Mary. Remember, Mary is your second recruit. Second recruit is a qualifying sale. So even though you have recruited Mary, who is the second recruit, she will be passed up to your sponsor, that is me. You won't get any $1,000 from Mary, but I would be getting the $1,000, as Mary will be tagged to me. Don't worry, I will tell you how this is going to benefit you more rather than me. So now you recruit the third rep, Steve. So he passes another $1,000 to you, as he is a direct recruit. So you now have Peter and Steve, who have passed $1,000 each to you. So even though you have recruited 3 persons, you have just received $2,000. Now, if Peter and Steve each recruit their first rep, say John and Ned, Peter and Steve will receive $1,000 each. Again now, if Peter and Steve recruit second rep, say Dave and Liz, they are not going to get $1,000, but Dave and Liz is going to get tagged to you, and you are going to get $2,000 from here. So you see now, by just recruiting 3 persons, you have got $4,000 till now. You still have Dave and Liz tagged to you. So again, the second recruits will be tagged to you. So this will just continue. There is no stop for the passive income of $1,000. This is besides a direct $1,000 which you will be getting from your direct recruit. Note that you have to be positioned at G1000 level to earn $1,000 commission. Also, on the compensation plan, I didn't mention the additional amount that you would need to pay. Let me break the additional amount that you will have to pay. It's a small resale right fees which is to be paid yearly. There are various options that you can choose from, but I prefer G1000. If you choose G100, the resale right fees is $40 per year to be paid first, along with some small processing fees, and then you have to pay your sponsor $100 plus small processing fees again. If you choose G250, the resale right fee is $100 per year to be paid first, along with small processing fee, and then you pay your sponsor $250 plus small processing fee again. If you choose G500, the resale rights fee is $200, and again you pay your sponsor $500 plus small processing fees as usual. If you choose G1000, which is the most preferable one, I will let you know why. The resale rights fee is $299 per year to be paid first, along with some small processing fee, and then you have to pay your sponsor $1,000 plus a small processing fee, say $50. If you are positioned at G100 level, and if someone buys G1000 from you, you won't get $1,000 commission, but you will be getting only $100 commission because you are positioned at G100. This is same for all different levels. Say if you are positioned at G250, you will only get $250 even if your recruit has purchased $500. Again, if your sponsor is positioned at G1000 and you are at G100, then your sponsor will get the remaining $900 and you will get only $100 if your recruit purchase G1000. So there's a pass up of $900 to your sponsor. If you position at a higher level and you sell a lower level product, that is, say if you are at G1000 and you sell G500, then you get to keep $500 as commission, and this does not qualify for your G1000 sale. What I mean by that is, if you are at G1000 level, you have to make 2 G1000 sale to make your qualifying sale. Only second G1000 sale will be passed up to your sponsor, which will make it a qualifying sale. So you see now why it is important to be positioned at G1000. Now that you know how to achieve your financial goal, let me tell you about the bonus that you are going to get if you choose G1000. Yes, this is only for G1000. My mentor will provide you his training videos, which itself is of more than $1,000 value to you for free. This video will teach you how to attract customer towards you rather than you pitching your product. He will give you free access to his Facebook group where he does a Facebook Live every now and then to motivate every one of his team to be a leader in marketing. He usually charges $1,000 for 1 hour of coaching, but you will get all this for free. Don't know who Darren Little is? Just do a Google search for him and you will find out all about him. I have a replay of the webinar which you can watch at http://recruitarep.sanjrao.com. So finally, it's time for action. As I said earlier, it is you who have to take action. I can only show you the direction. So are you ready for the action? Just message me on the facebook.com/sanjaybrao.sanjrao for the next steps. I'm waiting for your message. Have a great day. Thank you.